Hi, I'm Ray. Well, today we're looking at the Agapanthus, and it's also known as the African lily or lily of the mile. It's a perennial plant native to South Africa. It sends up these lovely tall spikes of flowers that are white, lavender and a really dark blue. But now the flowers have come to an end and they're forming some seed pods. Their leaves are long like straps and they can grow quite big. So we need to know what to do with the Agapanthus. So they're great for pollinators like butterflies and bees, and the word Agapanthus in Greek comes from aga meaning love and then panthus meaning flower, so the love flower. So if you're wanting to collect seeds, we have to wait for these to go a bit browner. They're just dying off now. They're forming the pods. Once the pods have been collected, we can put them in a bag. Once they're brown, we can put them in a bag, shake the pod, and they will collect the seeds. If we don't want these seeds to be germinating, they're quite evasive, then we need to cut off the stalks. So we get our shears and we go right down into the base, and we snap. These are great for flower cuttings. So Agapanthus needs full sun and well-drained soil. If your Agapanthus hasn't flowered, then there's a couple of main reasons. One of the reasons is light, as Agapanthus needs full sun. So most of the Agapanthus is hardy, but there are some tender ones that do need protection from the frost. If they're an outdoor one, cover with some fleece. Once they've died back, cover 6 inches of bark chippings, and that prevents it from the winter. They can be grown in containers, and they're ideal in containers. Grow them 3 to 4 plants in one pot, and they like being restricted. So once they're grown, then you can separate them, plant them in individual pots. So if you've got your Agapanthus in a container, then water it until November, and then put it in a dry, frost-free location, no water until February. The pot will drain and the moisture in the pot will retain until February. Then we bring it outside, give it a water, and then it's going to grow lovely back again. This one was the only plant in my whole of the garden when I moved in, and it's self-seeded to another one down here, and we can see that one hasn't flowered because of the light and because of the water, so it does need So let me know in the comments. Have you grown any Agapanthus? What colours have you have? They're great for the snails hiding in here. Let me know in the comments. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. And that'd be wonderful. So, looking forward to some lovely flowers again in the summer. Look at that.